Hello everyone, I'm Soila Kabadipuya and today I want to show you the several methods for set initial values for page items in Oracle Apex, and I want to take a closer look at the differences between them. Let's go to Page Designer and I show you how many methods there are for setting initial values. In my page designer, at first I create a page item like peg underline new, and I want to set different values for it. The popular way to set initial values and default values for page item is its attribute. In default section, for example, I set a static type and type 1 for its value. Let's see the result and compare it. As you see in my front end, I can see 1, but in session there is no value. For example, if you need a value in same time in session and front end, you can use this method, and it is not useful for you to setting a session. But there is another way that you create a process in before header. Let me set name for it. In this section, I can set a value, for example, 2 for my page item, and let's compare the result. As you see, I can see 2 in front end, and when I open the session, I can see the value in the session. So I can set the initial value in both in front end and in session. And the second type for setting value in page load, you can create a dynamic action, and let me set a name. And set value in this section. I have an action, set value, a static assignment. I can type, for example, 3, and here I can choose my page item. Let's compare the result. As you see in front end, I have 3 for my value, but in session I have 2. And this value is coming from before header in my process. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you, and please follow me and subscribe me in YouTube and LinkedIn, and visit my website oracleapextips.com to know more about Apex tips. Have a great time.